Okay, so let's download the Metatrader 4 that we're going to use for trading. Mind you, this Metatrader 4 trading application can be used both for the demo account and also the live account. So what we do, you go over to your store, whether it's your app store or it's your Play Store, go to search and then type in Metatrader 4. You can see it's already bringing it out. Then click on Metatrader 4 and then you will see it pop up. Okay, great. Now this is it here. You can see the logo with the 4 and also the Metatrader 5, the logo with the 5. I already have it downloaded and that's why it's telling me to open. But if you don't have it, it will tell you to get. You click on get or click on download or whatever it's telling you. So as I have already downloaded and installed, I'll simply click on open for the MT4 over here, and then it takes me to the trading application, which is what we have right in front of us. Now the next video is going to show you how to log in the demo account to this Metatrader 4 trading application.